What if a QR code didn't just show something? It collected something too. Meet WPForms QR code. One scan and it opens your form, right there on the user's phone. It lives right in your form's settings. No new plugin, nothing to install. Point it at the page your form lives on, or paste in any URL. Click Generate QR code, and it's ready, saved right along with your form. Copy it or download it as a PNG or a print-ready SVG. That same file stays crisp on a business card or a 6-foot banner. On Pro and Elite, swap the center logo for your own brand. Now every code that goes out the door looks like you. Put it on flyers, stickers, table tents, anything you print. Every single piece carries a live, working code. Someone scans it and your form opens instantly. They fill it in without ever typing a URL. And their info lands right in your entries. No missed leads, no dead-end scans. Move your form to a new page and the old code gets flagged automatically, so the one you print is always the one that works. One scan opens your form. It's free on every plan. Get WPForms today.